UKG online study and e-learning platform. In this video, we are going to discuss introduction of computer organization and architecture. Digital computer. Digital computer is a digital system that performs various computational tasks. The word digital implies that the information in the computer is represented by variables that take a limited number of discrete values. These values are processed internally by components that can maintain a limited number of discrete states. The first electronic digital computer developed in the late 1940s were used primarily for numerical computation. Digital computer use binary number system which has two digits, 0 and 1. A binary digit is called a bit. Computer hardware. Hardware of a computer is usually divided into three major parts. The CPU contains an arithmetic and logic unit for manipulating data, a number of registers for storing data, and control circuit for fetching and executing instruction. The memory of computer contains storage for instruction and data. It is called random access memory. The input and output processor contain electronic circuits for communicating and controlling the transfer of information between the computer and the outside world. The input and output devices connected to the computer include keyboard, printer, terminal, magnetic disk, drives, and other communication devices. Computer organization. Computer organization is concerned with the way the hardware components operate and the way they are connected together to form the computer system. The various components are assumed to be in place and the task is to investigate the organizational structure to verify that computer parts operate as intended. Computer design is concerned with the hardware design of the computer. Once the computer specifications are formulated, it is the task of the designer to develop hardware of the system. Computer design is concerned with the determination of what hardware should be used and how the parts should be connected. Computer architecture is concerned with the structure and behavior of the computer as seen by the user. It includes the information formats, instruction set, and techniques for addressing memory. The architectural design of a computer system is concerned with the specification of the various functional modules such as processor and memories and structuring them together into a computer system. Thank you for watching this video.